Now to the coronavirus outbreak in the St. Louis area. A Jefferson County nursing home is the latest to confirm it has cases of COVID-19. Officials at Festus Manor Care Center say 6 residents have tested positive for coronavirus. The patients are isolated to stop the virus from spreading. The rising number of cases in nursing homes is a growing concern for local families. News 4's Alexis Zotos is digging into what information you have a right to know. She's live in Midtown at Life Care Center, where they have dozens of cases. Alexis?
Steve, here at Life Care Center in Midtown, there are 40 residents who have been diagnosed with COVID-19, several staff members as well, and there have been 5 deaths related to the virus. Now, we know all that because the facility has been forthcoming. They've shared that with family members as well as with the public through the media. But we continue to hear every day from family members of loved ones at other facilities that is not the case where their loved one lives, and they feel left in the dark.
It's frustrating, but, I understand the importance of lockdown. What I don't understand is the reluctance to share information about my mother and her environment.
Pamela Locke's 98-year-old mother lives at the estates at Hidden Lake in Spanish Lake. Normally, the two would spend the Easter holiday together.
We celebrate Easter, play some games, have, dinner.
For days, she's been trying to confirm whether there are cases of COVID-19 at her mother's long-term care facility. Finally, she got an answer.
The owner called me and told me that they had some confirmed cases.
But the facility told News 4 they had no comment, that the information is protected by HIPAA, a law that protects patient medical records. Some states are sharing information about cases in nursing homes. Missouri is not.
As frustrated as I am with the nursing home and that facility, I'm equally as frustrated with the state that they don't recognize that the importance of that information during a time like this, when you have life and death, a deadly virus going around. They're not sharing it with family members. I'm my mother's daughter.
We reached out to Voice, an advocacy group for residents of long-term facilities.
I think the more information that a facility can put out, the better. However, I think, they really have to, and we really believe that you have to balance the residents' right to privacy as well.
She says there's no easy answer on what information should or shouldn't be released.
Folks that have been diagnosed with COVID-19 absolutely have the right to privacy to not tell everybody in the world about that.
But what about the public health crisis and the right for families to know what's happening inside their loved one's facility? At Frontier in St. Charles County, half of the patients have COVID-19. In Jefferson County, Festus Manor Care Center released this statement today that 6 residents have the virus. Moore says if you are having trouble getting information from your family's facility, here's some advice.
If somebody has a loved one in a facility and you're not getting good communication, the best thing that a family can do is band together and appoint one spokesperson for the family. Because one of the things that we're seeing is that facilities are being inundated with calls.
So a spokesperson for the state health department says they are not tracking cases inside nursing homes, but they can tell us that at least 49 state licensed facilities do have at least one case of coronavirus. Now, experts say that the isolation that these people that live in these homes are feeling is just as dangerous as the virus. And they say one of the ways that you can help these residents is by sending cards. We're going to include information on how you can do that on the KMOV News app. Reporting live, Alexis Sotos, News 4.